Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I was replacing the light bulbs on my stairway that goes up to the second floor. Has some footlights, and they were those I think it's C5 or C7 base, like in the old days, the Christmas tree light strings. Anyway, I got some that are LED instead of incandescent, so I was replacing them, and when I did one of them, there was kind of like not a spark, but a click kind of noise. I thought the filament had gone out or something went wrong with the LEDs, but it turns out it was nothing, so I'm trying to figure out what it was. It tripped a circuit breaker, which is in there, so I reset the circuit breaker, but they didn't come on. So I'm looking at this daylight nighttime sensor, which is what is built into the circuit and which turns on those stairway lights, and it also turns on the outside lights. They're all on this one sensor. I have replaced the sensor once before, so this is not that old. It's maybe 2 or 3 years old. When I took it out to take a look, this wire just kind of fell out of the quick nut connection there. So I'm thinking maybe some kind of funny coincidence. When I was changing that stairway footlight, this thing came loose somehow. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm going to strip it back a little bit more so I'll get a better connection, and I'm going to reset it, and then I'll cover this up with some tape or something to see if I can make the lights come on. And I'll let you know how it works out. Well, the answer is yes. That loose wire did happen to disconnect itself. There. Just at the moment that I was changing that bulb right there. Maybe there was a little surge through the circuit or something. I don't know. These outside lights are also on that same sensor, so now they're all working again. Now I just have to take off my little bit of tape. Where is it? I'm trying to show you the tape. There, right there. Alright. So I just taped over the sensor to make it seem like nighttime. So take that off, everything will go off until tonight, then it'll come on. So, there you go. Little mystery solved. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe more to my channel if you want more from Froggy. I do a lot of home maintenance stuff. See ya. Have a great weekend. Froggy out. Bye-bye. You know, one little interesting thing I'll add to the end of this video. Once I ripped the tape off, it actually took about 10 seconds or so before the sensor gathered up enough light, I guess, to decide that it was daylight. So kind of interesting. They're not instantaneous. At least this one's not. Okay, bye.